old idiot. Yes, man.
Hey Floyd, you don't want no beef, my nigga. You think you're quick? Woo! Think you're quick? Look for me. Don't want no beef. Hopefully Floyd does not ever see this. He's not gonna have a problem with getting beat up. I prefer when people beat me up by sending money to my bank account. Yeah, that shit hurts. I say what the fuck I wanna say. I ain't scared of you, bitch! Not talking to you, Floyd. I'm talking about the little puppy that you probably have around now. Cause I know you can box the shit out of him. Now we all know that Floyd Mayweather packs a heavy punch. But when it comes to reading, Mr. 46 and 0 is taking L's left, right, and center. Now it has been said that the leader of the dummy team, the money team, while he is able to last 12 rounds in a ring, can't last 2 words in a sentence. Nigga! Mr. Undefeated is constantly facing defeat from materials from which reading is to take place. So you're just gonna drive a bus while I'm doing this? Motherfucker, you just gonna drive a goddamn bus? The fool is able to read text messages aloud because of people like Floyd. And when I say people, I'm not talking about black people, because I'm not talking about black people. I'm talking about people that are allegedly illiterate. Allegedly? Don't be like a motherfucker! And yes, we know Money Mayweather. By the standards of people in our society, he's already successful. He has all this money, so why does he need to be able to read? If you're going to be flaunting and living a lavish lifestyle, copying brand name shit, the least you can do is be able to pronounce, sell, and read the words. Floyd, you need to quit buying all those Bugattis and invest in a couple seasons of Dora the Explorer on Netflix. That little Spanish bitch will have you singing your ABCs backwards within 24 hours. And I know some of you are saying that, yo, the man is rich, so he can't just pay people for read shit feed. And yes, you are correct. What he can also do is pay somebody to teach him to read. Shit, nigga, I'll teach you to read. $500 a minute. And that is not really a high price. I charge you like $1, but it's plus tax. $499 worth of tax, because you're a special case. Hey Floyd, forget about the boxing trainer. You need a reading trainer. And at this point, you should be on a campaign to raise funds for bringing back Reading Rainbow. Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high. Take a look, Floyd, it's in a book, Reading Rainbow. Bitch, I can go. Just a detour for a second. If I had all that money, I would be paying people to do some of the silliest shit for me. I would shit myself, then pay somebody to take it to the toilet and flush it. The silliest of shit I would pay people to do. If you want to be money, shit. If you want to beat Mr. Money Team, all you have to do is bring a book into the ring. Straight KO. When Floyd fights a boxer who is covered in paragraphs of words, in tattoos, he's going to lose. He can't see words. I personally don't think Floyd is unable to read. I just think he has a phobia of groups of words that are grammatically correct and are strung together in a sentence that follows the subject-verb agreement format in the English language. I honestly feel we should give Floyd a chance. Come on, people. The man is a boxer. A boxer who is taking punches to the head where the brain is. And these punches are not regular punches. These punches are traveling at the speed of death. He could be suffering from some type of aphasia based on the fact that when black parents are teach if you read, if you can't read something, them clock it. If you are reading a stop, you get slapped. Come read. Jack and Jill. Went. And maybe at that teaching stage in his life, Floyd realized that, look, I am able to take some slaps in my head better than how I can read these words. So guess what? Fuck this reading thing, I want to become a boxer. A lot of people say Floyd curses a lot, but you don't understand, being a boxer and all those punches to the head, it damages certain parts of the brain, and this nigga has Tourette's. It's only right that I end this video like this. This is Kevin Too Crazy, and this is the Ice Can't Read Bucket Challenge. Raising awareness for rich, illiterate people. Floyd, this one is for you. Knowledge is cool. Thank you to all the people who have been showing me support. Remember to hit the like, share, and definitely the subscribe button. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. My wife is also my stepmother.